So today's video will explain about
landslide can be defined as movement of debris such as rock or earth down a sloped section of land. It is type of mass wasting. Mass wasting is basically any downward movement of Earth's surface that is worn away. To elaborate further, a case study in Himachal Pradesh, India is chosen. As you can see, is landslide incident in Himachal Pradesh is very common. Two main factors on this case study is heavy rainfall and anthropogenic intervention, which is directly correlates. Anthropogenic intervention for purpose on development that cuts hillocks. When the natural landscape, such as trees and rocks, are removed, the soil does not have any protection layer to hold it from moving down the slope, especially during heavy rainfall, which then causes the landslide. Planning is crucial to reduce risk of landslide. The first step for prevention is to identify areas where landslide could occur. When the area has been identified, a safe design can be made as a retainer to provide safe access, especially for vehicular movement.
Hi, I am Eisya and I will be covering construction process, equipment and benefits. So in Himachal Pradesh, to prevent another incident of landslide from happening, tension rock boat were installed. The slope of the boat were designed to be equal to the difference between the angle of friction and the dip for maximum efficiency. The angle was maintained so that the boat could be installed easily and the length of the boat could be kept to a minimum. Rock bolts are installed at right angles to the sliding plane into rock beneath it to reinforce a drain slope with zero cohesion. In order to install the tension rock bolts, Schmidt hammer and shear test apparatus is used, respectively to determine compressive strength and to determine direct shear test. The most obvious benefit that can be seen from the tension rock bolt installation is that financial loss and damages due to landslide is reduced. From this, a landslide design standard can be produced which will aid the design selection that is cost-effective for planning landslide hazard mitigation strategies.
safety and health aspect includes preparedness guideline that provide standard of do's and don'ts for when incident of landslide takes place. It is crucial to take into account rescue operations. Despite of human exposure to disaster risk has remained low in Himachal Pradesh due to low density population. Lastly, damage control, where the authorities issue instruction to repair the damaged road in the subsequent 3 to 4 days after the incidents. Guidelines used in Himachal Pradesh includes Indian Standard Landslide Control Guidelines, National Landslide Risk Management Strategy. Guidelines related to landslide have been finalized and published by Bureau of Indian Standard BSRSIS 14458 guidelines for retaining wall for hill areas. Sustainable consideration may include landscape. Softscape is a natural retaining element where the roots of plants hold the soil intact, which prevents landslide. Most slope area construction nowadays will plant grass patch to minimize downward movement of soil during construction. Avoid building near hazardous locations such as steep slopes, close to mountain edges or near drainage path or natural erosion valleys. During the high-risk period, it is important to stay alert as many debris flow fatalities occur when people are sleeping. Lastly, to stay away from the slide area as there may be danger to additional slides.